Here's how to replace the SSD on the Dell laptop. First, make sure the device is powered down, and then locate the 12 screws on the bottom. Unscrew these screws, but they are captive so they won't come out. Unclip the back panel. Don't be afraid to use a little force, and it should come clean off, and then you'll see something like this underneath. In the right middle, you should see something that looks like this. This is your SSD, and it has one screw. If you unscrew it, it will lift up, so be prepared. Also, get your new SSD. Make sure that the hole is on the right side and the label is facing up. Remove the SSD that is in there currently. Ensure you are holding the SSD down while you screw it in. Then clip the back panel back on, screw in the screws. You could also put Windows back on it with a USB drive, but you're basically done.